My daily routine. Hi, my name is Rubina. I am 40 years old and I am a housewife. Every day I follow a simple routine. I wake up early in the morning around 6 a.m. First, I pray and meditate for a few minutes to start my day peacefully. After that, I prepare breakfast for my family. We usually have tea, bread, and eggs. Once everyone has eaten, I clean the kitchen and do the dishes. Then I move on to other house chores like sweeping, mopping, and dusting. I also do the laundry and fold the clothes. Around 11 a.m., I take a short break. I have a cup of tea and a snack and I relax for a while. Sometimes I watch TV or read a book. At noon, I start preparing lunch. I make sure to cook healthy meals for my family. We have lunch together at around 1 pm. After lunch, I clean up the kitchen again. In the afternoon, I focus on myself. I study English to improve my language skills. I also enjoy gardening and taking care of my plants. Sometimes I go for a walk to get some fresh air and exercise. By evening, I start preparing dinner. We usually have dinner at 7 pm. After dinner, I clean up the kitchen and spend time with my family. We talk, watch TV, or play games together. Before going to bed, I make sure everything is in order for the next day. I go to bed around 10 pm, feeling satisfied with my day. This is my simple daily routine. It keeps me busy and helps me take care of my family.